Hello and welcome back to Purpose Path TV Global. If you are a radiographer or medical imaging professional planning to work abroad, this video is for you. Today, I'll explain 1. Job opportunities in New Zealand and Canada. 2. Licensing requirements. 3. Step-by-step registration. 4. And the truth about visa sponsorship. Let's get started. New Zealand Section 1. New Zealand radiography jobs. New Zealand has strong demand for radiographers, medical imaging technologists, sonographers. Work settings: public hospitals, private imaging centers, diagnostic clinics, small blue diamond. Employers: Health NZ, public hospitals, private radiology clinics. Some offer relocation support. Sponsorship depends on registration. Section 2. NZ licensing, MRTB. To work in NZ, register with Medical Radiation Technologists Board, MRTB. Requirements: radiography degree, academic transcript, clinical experience, English test, IELTS/OET. Steps: 1. Apply to MRTB. 2. Qualification assessment. 3. Competency evaluation. 4. Possible bridging program. 5. Registration. 6. Apply for jobs. 7. Apply for AEWV visa. Section 3. Canada radiography jobs. Canada needs X-ray technologists, MRI technologists, CT scan specialists. Work settings: hospitals, diagnostic imaging centers, private clinics. Section 4. Canada licensing, CAMRT. To work in Canada. CAMRT, Canadian Association of Medical Radiation Technologists. Steps: 1. Credential assessment. 2. Eligibility approval. 3. Write CAMRT exam. 4. Provincial registration. 5. Apply for jobs. 6. Work visa/PR pathway. Section 5. Sponsorship reality. Sponsorship is not automatic. You must be licensed or close to licensing. Best strategy: start licensing first. Conclusion: New Zealand NZ MRTB job, AEWV. Canada CAMRT license job. Comment: Radiography New Zealand Canada if you want employer list.